Okay, so I watch Netflix Big Mouth, and season 3, episode 1 starts off with two boys in shop class. One is checking out a girl and accidentally cuts the other guy's finger off. And so basically, everyone decides that it's the girls that are the problem. The boys have no issue. They can't control themselves when they're around the girls, so the girls need to be dress coded. The boys are not dress coded. And so basically, the girls get upset. They decide that they're going to protest this dress code. So the next day, they come to school dressed provocatively. The boys and the girls get into somewhat of an altercation, and the teachers then decide that they need to wear school uniforms from now on. The girls are upset because the boys can and should be held to the same standard, and the school administration decides that this is not true. Throughout the episode, girls are basically told to keep quiet, or pure, and look non sexual. One girl in particular is always told that she needs to be calm. And so, near the end of the episode, the girls end up protesting again, and the principal realizes that this is ridiculous, that the girls should be able to explain themselves. And so she listens to their point of view and decides to actually fire the teacher that decided the dress code was a good idea in the first place, and not to basically let the girls feel like their voice isn't being heard. So a lot of empowerment happens at the end of the episode. I think that there's a lot of societal issues in this show in particular, but this episode for sure. And I think that it is somewhat more positive than I've seen. They do tackle a lot of issues as far as women's empowerment, responsibility of men, in their actions. And basically, there is a resolution to this. They end up going back to the normal dress code. I think that the technology of streaming networks like Netflix does help with these messages that we see. Sometimes they're exacerbated and sometimes they're fixed, in a sense, with, a funny episode like this. You start really thinking about the issues behind the joke.